Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the PlayStation official website. Just choose your country or region and you will end up within the home page. If you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner which you can click on and then proceed forward with your email address and password to log in. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on account settings. And now you will be able to change your name right away. If you wish to change your profile name, click on the edit button alongside your name and you will be able to change your first as well as your last name. After entering your first and last name, click on the save button and your name will be changed right away. You can also go to your profile setting from which you will be able to change your online ID as well as your name. Click on the edit button alongside and then enter your preferred name as well as your online ID. Just type in your desired username and then click on check availability, and if it is available you can save this as your new user ID right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.